Hook, have you ever wondered why banks are called banks? I mean, it's like calling a car, it's kind of obvious, right? But what about Ally Bank? What's the story behind its name? Let's dive in and find out. Building context, before we get to the official name, let's talk a bit about Ally Financial. You might recognize this name from its car commercials. Ally Financial is a financial services company that offers a variety of products, including car loans, personal loans, and savings accounts. The Ally Bank story. Now, imagine you're Ally Financial. You've got all these great products, but you want to offer savings accounts too. So, you decide to create a separate bank specifically for savings. What do you call it? The official name, drumroll, please. The official name of Ally Bank is, drumroll, Ally Bank. Yep, that's it. No fancy twists, no hidden meanings. Just plain old Ally Bank. Why the straightforward name? You might be thinking, that's it? That's the whole story? Well, sometimes the simplest explanation is the best one. Ally Bank chose a straightforward name because they wanted to be clear and upfront with their customers. They wanted people to know exactly what they were getting, a bank that's all about helping you save. The Ally Bank brand, beyond the name, Ally Bank has built a brand around simplicity and convenience. They offer online and mobile banking, no minimum balance requirements, and competitive interest rates. It's a bank that's designed to fit into your busy life. Conclusion, so, there you have it. The official name of Ally Bank is just Ally Bank. It's a straightforward name that reflects the bank's commitment to simplicity and convenience. Whether you're looking to save for a rainy day or a big purchase, Ally Bank is here to help. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Ally Bank or opening an account, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you have any other questions about banking or finance, feel free to leave a comment below. Closing, with that said, thanks for watching and until next time.